this video, we're going to take a look at how we can create an Upwork account for beginners. So I am on the main page of Upwork, and right here we have to click on this sign up button. So the first thing and the most important thing right here that we have to select is whether we're a client and looking for people to hire, or we are a freelancer looking for work. So for the showcase of this video, I'm going to select freelancer and I'm going to click on apply as freelancer. So here you need to fill in your personal information. Make sure all of this is legit because it will ask you to identify down the road. So I am just going to fill in this information right here. I'm going to use a throwaway email like so, and we have to create a password as well. So make sure you use a strong password that people won't be able to crack. You also are given the option to continue with Apple or Google, but for this I'm just going to create an account starting from scratch. So here we don't have to select the newsletter option, but we have to check this. Make sure you read through these terms of service and user agreement and privacy policy for all of the legal reasons that may be required. And I'm just going to go through these. I've already read them. So after you have filled in your information here, you have to click on create my account. So it will take us to the next page. Your account has been successfully created, and it will redirect us asking for more information. So it will tell us that we have to verify our email in order to continue. So I am just going to load up my email right here, and I'm going to pause it just for a second. Okay, so it's going to look like this, and we just have to click on verify email, and it will tell us that our account is verified, and we can close this previous tab that we had. So it will ask us for information about what we do, like what do we want to sell to the clients. What can we offer? So it will tell us that we have to answer a few questions, apply for roles, and get paid. We'll go through it one by one. So we have to click on get started. And now here, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so you are able to see it. So a few questions first. Have you freelanced before? I'm brand new to this. I have some experience and I'm an expert. So let's say we are a complete beginner. I'm brand new to this. And we have to click on next. What is your biggest goal for freelancing? So we want to either earn our main income, make money on the side, get experience, or don't have a goal yet. So for this, it's good that we select something that will give the client what they're looking for or give them a sense of security. So I am going to select to get experience for a full-time job, or to make, okay, let's be honest here. We want to make money. So I'm going to go with this option and I'm going to click on next. So from here, you can select either just to find opportunities yourself. If you would like to package your work, create like a project that people can purchase, and also this option. So we're given three options. I'm open to contact to hire opportunities. What this means basically is that you start with a set contract, and if the clients like the work you have provided, then they can hire you full time. So I think it's best that you take this option right here. And also you can check both of these at the same time, so you get the highest chance of getting work. However, for this opportunity, I'm just going to select I would like to find opportunities myself because I would like to show you the application process for different projects / jobs. So right here, we're going to click on create profile. So you can either upload your resume right here from your PC. You can import it from LinkedIn if you have one, or you can fill it out manually. So we can just select fill out manually, and here's where we type the title or here's where we tell them what we do actually. So I'm just going to type video editor. This is just for the showcase of this video. So next, add experience. So if we have no experience, we can just select skip for now. And what education have we got? So here we can add education. So you can write the name of your school, university. You can type the degree that you have, what field you studied in, and also the dates, and you can give some description. So clients will look at this information before hiring you, most probably. So again, if you fill this out, you can just click on next, add language, but for now I am going to skip this. Okay, looking good. Tell us which languages you speak. Now this is very important. Most clients on here, except for the special projects, will require you to speak a good level of English. So we can say you can select the level of English you currently possess. So we can do fluent, native, or bilingual. We can do fluent right here. And if you speak a second language, that's only a plus. So you can add a language, and here you can type Spanish, for example, and your level is again, let's say fluent. So next up, we have to add the skills. So your skills are now suggested skills. This is going to suggest some skills based on what you have written for your job title or what you can do. So video editing and video post editing. We can type here video creation. Okay, so there's no such skill like that, but videography, we can add this skill as well. So you can add a maximum of 15 skills right here. So it's really important that you choose these carefully because it will help clients find your profile. So we can just, after we have written all of the skills that we need, we can click on next. And here's where you write a bio for yourself. We can type something along the lines of professional, video editor looking for projects / full-time work, something along those lines. You know best what you do and what you will give to the clients. So I'm just going to do this as an example, and we will choose our categories. Okay, so it tells us that we need at least 100 characters. So looking to work with you, and here you can write some skills. Great with Sony Vegas, Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut. I'm just going to try to reach the character limit. So we can click on next. What are the main services you offer? So right here you can select all of the services. So I'm going to do video and animation, and we're going to set our rate. So here's a very important part. So our hourly rate. Now, if this is super high, it will definitely deter some clients away from you. But you can, as you can see, you can choose a value right here between $3 and $1,000 per hour. Now, this is the hourly rate. So depending on what you can offer, I'm just going to do this for $10 an hour. And as you can see, it will calculate it right here for the service fee. So you'll get 10% less, and you will get $9 per hour. If we click on next, here we have to give them our accurate date of birth. So just do it like so, and give them your accurate date of birth. It will automatically detect your country. Here we can type in, or have to type in, our street address. So I'm just going to type this out, and I'm going to come back in a second. I forgot to mention this, but the one with the asterisks like so are required fields. So after filling in this information right here, we have to upload a photo as well. So we click on upload, and it will give us a bunch of options. So I'm just going to do this for the sake of this, and we have to click on attach photo. And now this is what your profile is going to look like. You can review this information. You can change anything if you so require. And then the final step is clicking on Submit Profile. And this is it. We have officially created a profile. And now we're given an option to view our profile or to browse jobs. And I'm just going to show you how you can quickly apply for a job. So right here, we're going to choose this one, for example, video editors. And you are given the option to either save the job or apply right here. You can read through the requirements, click on apply now, and this is where you propose your offer. And then you can read through this. You can write a description, due date, and you can set your rate, and then you apply at the very bottom. So that was the main process. I just wanted to show you how you can create a profile, a freelancing profile on Upwork. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.